Hey, how's it going, guys? Today's video has been highly requested. A lot of you seem to be curious about my affiliate marketing journey, and I'll be telling you how I'm able to make a decent income every month, step by step. So if this is something that you're interested to learn, then make sure that you stick around for the entire video. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways that you can make money online. If financial freedom is your goal, then please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like because that's what we talk about day in and day out over here. And with that said, let's go make some money. First off, let's talk about what affiliate marketing is. So by definition, affiliate marketing is a framework that makes it possible for brands to partner with individuals, influencers, or companies with the purpose of selling or marketing certain products or services. In layman's terms, you can also define affiliate marketing as a way in which you can promote another company's products or services in return for a commission on the sales that you do generate. So you can choose to do this for free if you have an existing circle of influence that you can promote to, but if you don't, then there are other free or very cost-effective ways to go about this. Each affiliate can have his own strategy that works for him and her, and as an affiliate, your main job is to drive traffic to a certain product or service sales page. You don't have to sell the actual product. You can talk about it, write about it, feature it in a post or two, just so that you can pique people's interest in it. But the main selling job is actually the brand or the company's responsibility. This is why they have a ton of marketing materials and sales pages that affiliates can take advantage of. And it's really because of this partnership that I think that affiliate marketing is the easiest way for a beginner to make money online. It's honestly pretty simple, not half as hard as you think, and you only need 3 things to get started. Number 1, as you might have guessed, is a great front-end affiliate offer. Whether this be a product or a service, as long as it's a legit offer that you can personally vouch for and it serves the needs of your circle of influence, then it can work. Number 2 is a back-end offer. So while a front-end offer is the first thing that a customer buys from you, a back-end offer just means any additional offer that complements the first product, and having this will allow you to earn multiple times from one customer. Number 3, the third thing that you'll need is good quality content that you can provide your friends, your audience, or essentially your circle of influence that will bring them value. This is also the way that you can get started on affiliate marketing for free without spending a dime on ads or promotions. Because when you create content that provides value, people are willing to listen. They become curious, and I'll show you how I'm personally able to monetize free traffic and earn from it in affiliate commissions. It's pretty technical, so make sure that you pay close attention. The very first thing that you'll need to work on is what's called a funnel. If you're not familiar, a funnel is a sequence or visual representation of the steps that a customer goes through from where he or she first hears about your brand all the way up to the time that a purchase is made. And because I wanted to make this as beginner-friendly as possible, I'm going to be recommending 2 free website funnel builders that you might want to consider as you start out. So the first platform is Wix.com. You may have heard of it. It's actually well known as a website builder, but it actually also has all of the features that you'll need to build out basic sales funnels that you can definitely take advantage of. The platform has a few paid plans, but given how feature-rich the free version already is, I don't see the need to upgrade. The only annoying thing about its free version is that it does have a lot of ads on the page, and this can be quite irritating to some, but I say you can start off with a free version and then upgrade as you make money along the way. A second platform that you can take a look at would be MailChimp. It's also quite well established as an email marketing platform, and it offers a whole lot of features with its free plan. These can definitely be used to build sales funnel. In my opinion, MailChimp has some of the most generous free features out there, which makes it really easy to build sales funnels cost effectively and without limitations. Now, you might be wondering what the main difference is between a website and a website that doubles as a sales funnel. And the latter, I would say, if I were to think of an analogy for it, would be like you have a salesperson guiding a customer along the way as he explores the pages on your site in a way that is automatic, so that each page is intentionally crafted to guide the visitor to the next page, to the next action, and it will eventually lead to a conversion. Whereas just a regular website would probably be static and would probably leave the customer feeling confused, not sure what to do, eventually allowing him to leave without taking any action whatsoever. So the very first step in the funnel process is to drive traffic. And sure, while a lot of the seasoned marketers do invest in Google ads, social media ads, and the like, there are still free and very effective ways to do this. And my favorite of which is TikTok. It's an excellent way to drive organic traffic to your website, and if you're able to create content that delivers value to your audience, your engagement will increase, which will result in TikTok further promoting your videos. And if you have high quality content and leave affiliate links in your bio, then that is a surefire way to drive people to your sales funnel. Setting up your sales funnel is actually a very efficient way for you to get work done, because if you do it properly, you can just set it up once and forget it. It's an automated process that follows a series depending on where the customer is in his journey. It starts with what's called an opt-in page, which serves as a teaser of some sort. It tells you what the product or service is about without divulging too much. And you'll usually have what's called a lead magnet on here. This is something that you can give away for free in exchange for your customer's email address or other details that you might need from him. After the opt-in page, the next step in the funnel is what's called the bridge page. And this is also set up automatically, also using the funnel builder that we talked about earlier. Now, this particular page should contain more information, more details, and it's also usually the part that seals the deal, and your customer can decide that they want to avail of whatever product or service it is that you're promoting. Which is why this is where you need to make sure that your affiliate link is present and visible. You can actually use a lot of the stuff provided by the brand or the company that you're promoting, and make sure to address questions like, how will this product improve my life? How will it solve my pain points? How will it help me reach my goals? Again, let me reiterate that you need to have a clearly visible call to action that will send customers to the affiliate sales page. And once you have successfully driven traffic to that page, you would have done your job effectively, and it becomes the brand or the company's job to convert that warm lead into a sale. And because you will be handing the customer over to your partner, you want to make sure that the sales page is actually good, that it has a high conversion rate as well. I mean, would you want to spend all the time and energy driving traffic to a poorly made sales page that isn't well thought of? Of course not. Since this part of the funnel is dependent on your partner, you want to make sure that they know what they're doing as well. Now, remember how in the opt-in page you got the customer's email address in exchange for the lead magnet? That's actually essential to affiliate marketing because depending on the offer, people won't necessarily buy immediately. In this case, you'll need to convince them further by sending them more information via follow-up email, making sure that they don't forget about or lose interest in the product that you've introduced to them. At the same time, for people who have decided to purchase the front-end offer that you presented them with, having their email address provides you a chance to keep selling to them if the brand or product that you're an affiliate for has a back-end offer. So like I said at the start of the video, a backend offer is the second thing you'll need. It's a separate product or service that you can offer the customer. It's all the additional products and services that a customer will buy from you over the time that he or she remains your customer. If you don't have an email sequence set up, you're missing out on a lot of sales and commissions. So I cannot stress enough how important it is to have one. So let's go through each of the steps again. Number 1, create value-packed content in your platform of choice. Mine is TikTok. I already mentioned that earlier. Make sure that you're able to address people's problems in 60 seconds or less and have a link to your funnel in your bio, ready for clicks. If you want me to make a separate video on TikTok marketing, then let me know in the comments section below. I'd be happy to do one for you. And then once a customer clicks on the link in your bio, they're taken to the opt-in page where you give them something in exchange for their email address. Once they enter their email address, they will be led to the bridge page, which will contain your affiliate link. And upon clicking on that link, they will be led to the affiliate sales page. If you set up an email sequence, throughout this whole journey, the customer will be receiving emails to remind him about the product so that he does not lose interest in it. Or also, if you have a back-end product to offer, they will also be receiving the same emails so that they can continue purchasing from you. As always, if you found any value in today's content, then please do show us some love by leaving us a like, a share, and also don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell below. Whatever it is that you learned today, I urge you to get started while you're still excited. You can sign up to Wix, sign up to MailChimp, look for products that you want to promote. Anything small is considered the first step and it will be worth a ton in the long run. If you want to hear more money-making ideas, then please do check out our other videos below. I'll be leaving links to some of them in the description box or the comment section for you. We do appreciate how generous you all have been with your comments and suggestions. It really helps everyone in this community out, so thank you so much. Keep them coming, guys. Alrighty then, take care, and I'll see you again next time.